What if Naruto never became the hero of the hidden leaf? The wind blew cold that night. Naruto stood alone on the hill. The village lights twinkled far below, but he didn't feel warmth. He felt anger, frustration, loneliness. All my life, everyone called me a hero, a savior. But what have I really achieved? He whispered. Madara watched from the shadows. He smiled. Power is waiting for you, Naruto. Greater than you've ever imagined. Greater than this big village. Naruto's heart thumped. He wanted to protect people, but he also wanted more. Days passed. Secretly, Naruto trained under Madara. Shadowy techniques. Forbidden jutsu. His chakra changed. Darker. Colder. Deadlier. Team Saath noticed. Sakura cried. Kakashi frowned. Sasuke couldn't believe his eyes. Naruto didn't care. He was no longer the boy who laughed in the rain. He was someone else. One night, Madara sent him a mission. Eliminate the ninjas opposing him. Naruto hesitated for a moment. Then he smiled. The Rasengan in his hand looked different. Dark, powerful, ruthless. He struck. No mercy. No hesitation. Smoke rose from the village outskirts. Screams echoed. The hidden leaf was burning. Sasuke ran to him. Naruto, stop. This isn't you. Naruto looked at him. Eyes glowing red. And smiled. The real world is cruel, Sasuke. I've just learned to survive it. War of Shadows. Naruto stood at the village gate. The night sky burned red. He led Madara's army, shadows moving behind him. The leaf ninjas tried to stop him. But nothing could. Explosions. Fire. Chaos. The boy who once dreamed of being Hokage now spread fear. Sasuke appeared. Chidori in hand. Naruto, don't make me do this. Naruto laughed. A sound colder than winter. You already chose this path, Sasuke. Now stay out of my way. Their battle began. Rasengan clashed with Chidori. Shadows and light exploding everywhere. Every strike shook the ground. Every blow screamed of their friendship and betrayal. For a moment Naruto remembered Jiraiya's teachings. The friends who believed in him. The village that never gave up on him. But Madara's shadow was strong. He whispered in Naruto's mind. You are mine fully, no turning back. Naruto faltered. Could he fight the darkness? Could he still remember who he was? Sasuke shouted. Naruto, look at me. You are not a monster. You are my friend. The wind blew. The fire died down a little. Naruto's eyes flickered. Orange, then red. Orange, then red. Madara approached, smiling. Good, very good. Soon you will belong to me completely. Naruto stood at the edge of darkness. And the world waited for the choice he would make.